Dear students, this is the second part of the chapter, and in this part you will see that there are many children are there who are telling something about their vacations, but when they are speaking they are not here is not written the name of these vehicles. The vehicles are made here and you are to say the name of the vehicles during reading the text. So let's start. Come, let's meet some children and find out how they spend their vacations. The girl is telling, I went to my uncle who lives in Delhi. Earlier we used to go from the railway station to his house in a bus, but this time it was great fun. We went by the metro train which went through an underground tunnel. We did not even come to know the cars were running on the road above the tunnel. The boy is telling, it was my bua's wedding. I met my relatives. We have good time eating, drinking and playing. Bhaiya came from America in an aeroplane. Imagine, he came but from so far but reached here in one day. Bua looked very beautiful which she was when she was going in the palki. This is a palki. Do you know? This is the palki is made of wood, and the brides are the bride sit into the palki, and when the bride sit in this during the time of marriage, this palki is decorated beautifully. You are watching that there are two bamboo poles on the front and back side of the palki, and the people keep these bamboo on the shoulder and go from one place to another. This girl is telling, I went to my nanny's house in Kerala. Where she lives, there is water everywhere. From the station, we could have taken a bus or a car, or you can say a taxi, to reach her house. Instead, we took a snake boat. You know that snake boat are mostly in Kerala. There are snake boats in the river. We took a snake boat straight to her house. It felt a little strange, but we had fun. What this boy is telling? We went to Shimla during the vacation. The bus moved on the zigzag road on high mountains. It was very scary when we looked down. We had to walk long distance in Shimla. My dadi would get tired very quickly. We would make her ride on the horse. I never got tired. I enjoyed walking. This girl is telling, my khala lives very close to our house. Whenever I feel like going to her, I quickly climb on my bicycle and rush to her place. Ma and Chotu have to take a rickshaw to go to Nani's house. He is telling, I went to my Mamaji's village from the railway station. There is no bus going to his village, so we went in a bullock cart. We crossed large green fields on the way to the village. I loved the sound of the bells tied round the neck of the bulls. How would you choose to go from your house to the places written below? Write in the box. How do you go means when you are to go to market, then you can say I go to market by walk. When you are to go to your friend's home, you can say I use bicycle. When you are to go to your nanny's home, so you can say I go to my nanny's home by train or plane. If you are to cross the sea, then you are to use the ship. You are to cross the river, then you will use a boat. If you are to go to your relatives, you can use bus and train. And if you are to go to school, you can say, I go to school by school bus. This was the second part. We will meet in the third part of the chapter.